Book 1. General Provisions. Title 1. Title and Purposes of Code. Article 1. Title. This decree shall be known as the Code of Muslim Personal Laws of the Philippines. Article 2. Purpose of Code. Pursuant to Section 2 of Article 15 of the Constitution of the Philippines, which provides that the state shall consider the customs, traditions, beliefs, and interests of national cultural communities in the formulation and implementation of state policies, this code a. Recognizes the legal system of the Muslims in the Philippines as part of the law of the land and seeks to make Islamic institutions more effective. With a frown. B. Codifies Muslim personal laws, and c. Provides for an effective administration and enforcement of Muslim personal laws among Muslims. Title 2. Article 3. Conflict of Provisions. 1. In case of conflict between any provision of this code and laws of general application, the former shall prevail. 2. Should the conflict be between any provision of this code and special laws or laws of local application, the latter shall be liberally construed in order to carry out the former. 3. The provisions of this code shall be applicable only to Muslims and nothing herein shall be construed to operate to the prejudice of a non-Muslim. Construction of Code and Definition of Terms. Article 4. Construction and Interpretation. 1. In the construction and interpretation of this code and other Muslim laws, the court shall take into consideration the primary sources of Muslim law. 2. Standard treatises and works on Muslim law and jurisprudence shall be given persuasive weight in the interpretation of Muslim law. Article 5. Proof of Muslim law and ADA. Muslim law and ADA not embodied in this code shall be proven in evidence as a fact. No ADA which is contrary to the Constitution of the Philippines, this code, Muslim law, public order, public policy, or public interest shall be given any legal effect. Article 6. Conflict in Islamic schools of law. 1. Should there be any conflict among the Orthodox, Sunni, Muslim schools of law, madhahib, that which is in consonance with the Constitution of the Philippines, this code, public order, public policy, and public interest shall be given effect. 2. The Muslim schools of law shall, for purposes of this code, be the Hanafi, the Hanbali, the Maliki, and the Shafi'i. Article 7. Definition of terms. Unless the context otherwise provides, a. Agama Arbitration Council means a body composed of the chairman and a representative of each of the parties to constitute a council to take all necessary steps for resolving conflicts between them. B. ADA means customary law. C. General Register means the General Register of marriages, divorces, revocation of divorces, conversion, and such other deeds or instruments kept by the registrar under this code. D. Ihram signifies the state of ritual consecration of a person while on pilgrimage to Mecca. E. Madhab, plural, madhahib, means any of the four Orthodox, Sunni, schools of Muslim law. F. Month means a period of 30 days. G. Muslim is a person who testifies to the oneness of God and the prophethood of Muhammad and professes Islam. H. Muslim law, Sharia, refers to all the ordinances and regulations governing Muslims as found principally in the Quran and the Hadith. I. Muslim personal law, includes all laws relating to personal status, marriage and divorce, matrimonial and family relations, succession and inheritance, and property relations between spouses as provided for in this code.